Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and let me share with you how to change video size or video quality on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it. If the video is highlighted in this purplish color, lavender color, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar. We can unroll it if you want to. And as you can see here, we've got two different options which are connected with the quality, let's say, and resolution. We've got the aspect ratio and the frame rate. So we've got two different options. In the aspect ratio, we've got 9:16, and also the full option, which will simply elongate, let's say elongate, or open the camera on the full screen. And we've got also the frame rate. We've got 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, and it's of course up to you. Basically, if you'd like to set particular option, just tap on it until you'll see that it is highlighted. So right now we've got the full with 30 frames per second. Right now we've got the 60 with 60 frames per second with a 9:16 ratio. And basically it simply means that it will be immediately applied, so you can go back to the camera and immediately record the video with chosen settings right after. So basically that's all. This is how to change video quality in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.